Okay, this is my Hewlett Packard 5603B 60 megahertz oscilloscope that's up for sale. It's in perfect working order. And I'm just going to show you the little 5 volt 1.2 kilohertz square wave, just to show that it is working well. This is channel 1. That's channel 1. Nice square wave. Volts per division working well. Time division working well. And then we're going to have a look at channel 2. We just check the source to 2. There you are. This scope hasn't been used much at all, at least. Let me see. Alright, so I have it on sale for a nice price of €220. Good luck.